Hello everyone, this is Monk Dylan Linlavong from Wat Buddhabhavana of Westford. Look, it is snowing. So normally on Tuesday and Wednesday around this time, around 8:30, we will venture out to collect alms in Lowell, Massachusetts. Due to the snowstorm, we are unable to go out. It is not a wise thing to do during the snow because it's very slippery. ครูบาปกติแล้ววันอังคารกับวันพุธเนาะระหว่าง 8:30 ตอนเช้าจะเพิ่นมีไปบิณฑบาตเนาะอยู่ไม่ไกลยังบิณฑบาตอยู่เอิ้นว่า alms collecting เนาะ in the morning. Yeah, look at this, the snow is getting heavier and heavier. This is Westford, Massachusetts, another snowstorm. This might be a big one because it'll be snowing until 5 p.m. It is 8:30 right now in the morning. สโนว์อันนี้เป็นสโนว์เม็ดน้อยแต่เดี๋ยวนี้กำลังใหญ่ขึ้น So it used to be like a flake of snow, a small flake. Now it seems like it is heavier and getting heavier. You can see I am pretty well dressed for the snow. I have this scarf, this hat, this hoodie, and the warm hat, and also 3 layers here. You need to dress accordingly. It's warm. So this is a temple that mainly Laotian people. A lot of people, especially when I go on live, they ask, "Oh, I didn't know there's Laotian people or there's Lao people in Westford or Lowell area." Yeah, there are some Lao people here. ตัวนั้นเด็กโมแมนบ่โอ้เขาเลยไปคุมติดมัน Yeah, this is my helper. He's gonna help me jumpstart the snowplow. The one that you push. This is our shrine, our sacred shrine. It's costing us a lot more money than we thought due to the COVID pandemics, and we are still asking for those who would like to donate to contact us at Wat Buddhabhavana, WATBUDDHABHAVANA, or you can call me or search for Monk Dylan Linlavong, Dylan DILLAN. My last name is LINLAVONG. You can call me from Facebook or contact me from Facebook. Message me. And this is the snow. Snow ตกอีกแล้วพี่น้องเลยครูบามันใหญ่อยู่อเมริกาเด้อบางคนก็ว่าครูบา especially คนข่าวเขาจะถามว่าwhy you speak English so well? Why is your English so different from other monks? Because I grew up here. I grew up in the United States. I've been here since I was a boy, a young boy, 37 years ago. So that's a long time. That is why I speak English. And a lot of the monks that are from Laos, they're very shy. But some are very advanced. Some even go to college and university and got the degrees. But very few are like that. Most of them are very shy. They don't like to speak English that much. So that is a bad thing, not being able to communicate to people who grew up in the United States. มันเป็นสิ่งที่ท้าทายหรือว่ายากที่ว่าเฮาบ่เว้าภาษาอังกฤษเนาะมันสิยากสำหรับเฮาI speak different languages. I speak Lao, Thai, a little Khmer, Vietnamese, some Chinese. Because communication is the key to success. Yes, you become more successful if you can communicate with each other, even within your families. Look at that! Look at all the snow. Your families, your workplace, your communities. Community the key to success. One of my spinner, I just bought this one. This red, yellow, red, green, and blue. beautiful, isn't it? Tôi nâng like, tôi nâng Thai ở đây. Yep, right here. This is me live right now. What? มึงเชื่อก็อ่านบ่ออกภาษาลาวตัวในฟ้องสระพยัญชนะเขาว่าไม่ใหญ่อยู่ไม่กล้าเด้อบางคนก็ฮู้หรือบางคนก็ลืมก็เลยได้บอกเรื่อยๆเนาะ Yes, I grew up in United States. It seems like the snow is getting heavier and heavier. The most 90% is pretty good. It's good percentage of snow. But anyways, for those of you who are watching, stay blessed, love yourself, love each other, and practice cultivating good deeds. Avoid all evil. If possible, avoid all evil and cultivate good deeds. Sadhu. Namo Buddha Ya.